hi. This is Teacher Jerica of 311. So, to answer the question, I will create resources such as textbooks and modules that support diversity and inclusivity to better facilitate the learning of students, especially students who come from indigenous community, by using the material development concepts from this course. So, religion is one of many topics covered in the GMRC and values education curriculum. However, it is quite difficult to locate teaching materials that accurately reflect the various religions that each student has, so as their cultural practices that embodies each student identity in a classroom. So in order to help students better learn and appreciate the content lessons in GMRC and values education, I will produce instructional materials in the future that represent each student's religious and cultural orientation through the use of material creation concepts from this course.